Hey, did you know a medicine can fail not because it doesn't work, but because its data was not analyzed correctly? That's where a statistical programmer plays a crucial role in clinical trials. If you're a student, fresher, or a working professional wondering what exactly a statistical programmer does, this video is for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is my second video, and today we are going to talk about one of the most in-demand roles in the clinical trial industry, the role of a statistical programmer. I'll explain everything in very simple terms, so even if you're completely new here, it's easy for you to understand. Who is a statistical programmer? This is a professional who works with clinical trial data and converts raw data into meaningful results. In simple words, they do not conduct experiments, they do not treat patients, they work behind the scenes with clinical trial data. Their responsibility is to make sure that the data is clean, accurate, standardized, and properly reported. Their role in clinical trials can be categorized into four different parts. Data preparation. Clinical trial data comes from hospitals, labs, and patient visits. A statistical programmer organizes this raw data into structured formats, creating analysis datasets. These datasets are prepared so that the statisticians can perform proper analysis. They follow global standards to ensure consistency. The table, listings, and figures used in clinical study reports are usually created by the statistical programmers. These reports help in analyzing the safety and the efficacy of the study drug. Supporting submissions. These outputs and reports are used in regulatory submissions. Accuracy is extremely important. Even a small error can cause delays. Now let's talk about the tools commonly used by statistical programmers and why they are important. First, SAS, Statistical Analysis System. SAS is most widely used programming tool in the clinical trial industry. Statistical programmers use SAS to clean and transform raw clinical data, create analysis-ready datasets, generate table listings and figures. SAS is trusted because it can handle large datasets and produce reliable and reproducible results, which is critical in the clinical research. R programming. R is an open source programming language that is gaining popularity in clinical trials. It's mainly used for advanced statistical analysis, data visualization, exploratory data analysis. Microsoft Excel. Excel is commonly used for quick checks and validations. For example, reviewing small datasets, performing basic calculations, cross-checking numbers in the reports. Programmers also use other tools like programming macros and automation tools. But remember, tools can be learned. Understanding the clinical data and programming logic matters the most. What are the skills required by the statistical programmer? Basic knowledge of statistics, programming skills, understanding the clinical trial concepts, strong attention to detail. What is the career scope of a statistical programmer? A statistical programmer is high in demand in pharmaceutical companies, clinical research organizations. With experience and over the years, you can grow into different roles like the senior programmer role, lead programmer positions, and other advanced data roles. Why statistical programmer role matters? Without statistical programmers, our data cannot be trusted, results cannot be verified, safe medicines cannot reach patients sooner. They may work behind the scenes, but their impact is huge. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe, support the channel, and share this video with one of your friends who is interested in the clinical trial industry. Thank you, and see you in the next video.